I'm currently in a heated debate about how people wash their dishes. So I have a question for you guys. Do you guys use dishwater when you wash your dishes, i.e., hot soapy water in the sink, and just like put all of those dirty dishes in said dishwater and wash? Or do you use like a sponge or a dishcloth or whatever, put soap on that, scrub each dish and rinse with tap water running continuously? Let me know how you guys are washing your dishes. Personally, I think dishwater is gross, not gonna lie. However, it's been, brought to my attention that a lot of people use dishwater. So let me know how you're washing your dishes.